Hello and welcome back to another video where today I'm going to show you how to use GIMP to make look like it's snowing inside a photo. It's a really quick and simple thing to do, so let's just get started with it. First thing you have to do is create a new layer and press OK. You then want to make sure your colors are the right orientation, like this is. Just click on the small symbol below it to put it back to default. You then want to use the bucket tool and fill this layer back to being completely black. And we're going to hide the layer below it. So now we're going to go to Filters, Noise, HSV Noise, and we're going to set the dualing to full, and the value to full as well, and press OK. So now it should look a bit staticky. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Filters, Blur, Glacier Blur, and we want to set this one to be 1 on X, 1 on Y, and press OK, and let that do that thing. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Color, Levels, and move these along. This will be a bit of trial and error, but keep changing it till it looks similar to snow. So that might not want it to be too messy or messy. So I don't know. I think, yep, that looks good. So I'm going to press OK. We're going to show the layer below it, but we're going to stay clicked on the top layer, and we're going to change the mode to screen. So as you can see, it looks a bit like it's snowing, and if it's too hard, you can change the opacity down here to lower to soften it up so it doesn't not so strong. You can see it's not right yet. So what we're going to do is create another new layer. Okay, and it will be on a normal mode. So normal mode, all default settings, and we'll press OK. And then we're going to do the same. We're going to fill this so it's all black, and we're going to go to Filter, Noise, HSV Noise, but we're going to change the dualing down to the lowest possible, but the value back to the highest, and press OK. We're then going to go to Filters, Blur, Glacier Blur, and we're going to set this, wrong way, we're going to set this to be 3. Okay, let that do that thing. Now we're going to go to Color, we're going to go to Levels, and we're going to do the same thing again, maybe move the dark down, so it's in the spike, move the lights up a bit. So just move it around until you're happy with it. So okay, you can set the mode to be screen again, and that's quite strong and in the way. So we're going to change the opacity, and move it down a bit until you're happy with it. This will be different every time you do it, so it's just messing around, tweaking settings until you're done. And I'm happy with that, so therefore I'm done. But if you're not happy, you just tweak around settings, and until it's what you want, then you can just export it. This image is a great image. I didn't take the photo, so the link to the original place will be in the description. So I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.